Phrasal verbs are a common feature of the English language, and they can be tricky to learn. But they're also very useful, and they can make your English sound more natural. In this video, we're going to teach you 10 essential phrasal verbs that you can use in everyday life and at work. Are you ready?
Clock in. Clock out. To record the time you start and finish work by using a time card or a computer system. I need to clock in before I start my shift. Call off. To cancel a planned meeting, event, or task. They had to call off the meeting. There was no one in the office. Follow up. To check or continue with something after an initial action, often used in relation to tasks or emails. I will follow up with the client to get their feedback. Step up. To take on more responsibility or make extra efforts to achieve a goal. We need someone to step up and lead this project. Fill in for someone. To temporarily replace someone who is absent or unable to do their job. Can you fill in for me at the reception desk for an hour? Bring up. To mention or introduce a topic in a conversation or meeting. I'd like to bring up some concerns about the new project. Cut back. To reduce expenses or the amount of something being used. We need to cut back on unnecessary expenses to save money. Get through. To complete a task or finish work, especially when it's challenging. It was a tough day, but I managed to get through all my tasks. Sort out. To resolve a problem or organize something that is in disarray. Let's sort out the issues with the supply chain as soon as possible. Bring in. To introduce or hire someone or something new for a specific purpose. We need to bring in a consultant to improve our marketing strategy.